Welcome friends, this is Tejasvi Deshmukh in the session of C++. In this session we are going to see what are stream classes and unformatted IO and formatted IO. Stream class. In C++, stream refers to the stream of characters that are transferred between the program, thread and IO, that is input-output. Stream classes in C++ are used to input and output operations on files and IO devices. These classes have specific feature and to handle input and output of the program. The iostream.h library holds all the stream classes in the C++ programming language. So iOS, so it contains iStream and OStream, and again we have ifstream and OFstream. It's file stream. These are for the stream classes for the files. Now classes of an iostream library. iOS class. This class is the base class for all stream classes iStream, OStream and stream buffer. Just now what we have seen, iOS was the main class or the base class. Streams can be input or input-output streams. This class defines members that are independent of how the templates of class are defined. iStream class. The iStream class, that is input stream class, handles the input stream in C++ programming language. These input stream objects are used to read and interpret the input as a sequence of characters. The scene handles the input. OStream. The OStream class handles the output stream in C++ programming language. These output stream objects are used to write data as a sequence of characters on the screen. Cout and puts handle the out stream in C++ programming language. iOS, we have iStream, stream buffer and OStream. And again we have iOStream, which has certain different derived classes, iStream with assign, iOStream with assign and OStream with assign. So we'll see what are these all classes. Class iOS is indirectly inherited to iOStream class using iStream and OStream. Okay, this we have seen in the picture. iOS, it has been inherited to iStream and OStream, and indirectly it will come to the iOS stream. So there will be a problem of two copies which are going to come from iOS and OStream, from iOS to OStream to iOS stream. So what we'll do, we can make the class as a virtual class. To avoid the duplicity of data and member functions of iOS class, it is declared as a virtual base class when inheriting in InStream and OSstream as. This is how we can do class iStream virtually. It is going to inherit iOS and OStream also going to virtually inherit iOS. So a single copy from iOS will go into the iOS stream. The iOS class is responsible for providing all the input and output facility to all the other stream classes. The iStream class, this class is responsible for handling input stream. It provides number of functions for handling characters, strings and objects such as get function, getLine function, read, ignore, put back. We'll see one example. So in this we have one character x declared, so you can take a single character by using in this way also cin.getx and it will output you the character. The OStream class. This class is responsible for handling output stream. It provides number of functions for handling characters, strings and objects such as write, put and so on. One example. So you can get a single character by cin.get in bracket x. Same way you can put that character onto the screen by using in this way cout.putx. So we can try and you can check out what you will get. The iOStream, this class is responsible for handling both input and output stream as both iStream and OStream is inherited into it. It provides functions of both iStream class and OStream class for handling characters, strings and objects such as get, getLine, read, ignore, put, putback, write, etc. So I can use this. In main function, we have cout.write, which this function is now in IOStream. Now over here what we have done, in bracket I have just written good morning comma 5, so only first 5 characters will be written down. So output will be good M. iStream with assign class. This class is variant of iStream that allows object assignment. The predefined object scene is an object of this class and thus may be reassigned at runtime to a different iStream object. To show that scene is an object of iStream class, we'll take this one example. Now in this we have a class demo which has two variables dx and dy, and we are doing operator overloading using friend function, overloading this right shift operator. We have passed object of the iStream class and object of this demo class, and it is just going to uh, assign, C is going to assign to another object. Okay, that object is nothing but my scene. Now in main function we have created the object of demo class, enter the two numbers, so you can take any two numbers, maybe 4 and 5 I am taking. Now this D and this operator C, now we have overloaded this operator, so it is going to call this operator function and it is going to pass the D and scene as a reference. Okay, can also be written as, or you can even write down in this way. When you output it, you will get the answer whatever you have scanned, that is 4 and 5 correctly. Now facility provided by the stream OStream class. OStream underscore with the sign class. This class is variant of OStream that allows object assignment. The predefined objects cout, seer, clog are objects of this class and thus may be reassigned at runtime to a different OStream object. To show that cout is object of OStream class, again same example shown in another way. Now demo, class demo, which has got two variables dx and dy, the constructor has been written down. We have have default value of dx and dy as 4 and 5. So operator overloading using friend function, we have overloaded over here the left shift operator. So it has got two variables, the object of demo class and the object of OStream. So cout is assigned to another object over here, that is my cout. Now if you can see in main function demo D, a default constructor will be called and it will assign the values as 4 and 5. Now when you call out this function, whenever you call out this D operator cout, it is going to call the operator, this left shift which we have overloaded. It is going to pass D and cout as a reference and you will automatically get the printed value as 4 and 5. Now this same can be written in this way also. Okay. Now formatted IO and unformatted. The printed data with default setting by the IO functions, that is input output functions of the language, is known as unformatted data. It is the basic form of input and output and transfers the internal binary representation of the data directly between memory and the file. For example, in cin statement, it asks for a number while executing. If the user enters a decimal, the entered number will be displayed using cout statement. There is no need to apply for any external setting. By default, the IO functions represents the number in decimal format. Now formatted input output statement or input output in C++. C++ helps you to format the IO operations like determining the number of digits to be displayed after the decimal point, specifying number base and etc. Now we'll take one example how we can format. If we want to add plus sign as a prefix of output, we can use the formatting by doing this thing, stream.setf. Then we have iOS scope resolution operators show pause. If input is 100, the output will be plus 100. If you want to add trailing zeros in the output to be shown when needed using the formatting, so we are going to have stream.setf iOS scope resolution operator show point. So if the input is this 100.0, output will be 100.000. So this way you can format. There are many format manipulators available for us. The stream has the format flag that control the way of formatting. It means using this setf function, we can set the flags which allow us to display a value in a particular format. The iOS class declares a bit mask enumeration called FMT flags in which the values show base, show point, etc. are defined. These values are used to set or clear the format flags. Some few standard IO class functions we have width, precision, fill, setf, setting the various flags, unsetf to remove the flag which has been set, width it is going to use to set the required width fill. Now formatting using manipulators. So there are certain standard manipulators available, bull alpha, then we have DC, endl manipulator, just it is used to output a new line character. Then you have and the AND manipulator of this stream manipulator in C++, it is used to flush the stream end as fixed, WS, flush, X internal, set fill, set precision, set width. So we have, these are some of the few listed standard manipulators. We have many more. Thank you for watching this session.